In this video, I'm going to explain you how to fix Rockstar Launcher stuck on loading screen. So the first method is to run the launcher with admin's rights. So you just have to right click on the Rockstar Games Launcher and then go to properties. Now after you do that, you just have to click on compatibility, then check this box and this one, then click on apply and then click OK. Now you should try to launch the Rockstar Launcher again and see if it's working. If not, you can try also this method. So simply press the Windows logo key to open the start menu and type in CMD. Then right click on command prompt and then choose run as administrator, and then you just have to run this command here. So after you run this command, it's gonna look something like this. Then you just have to restart your computer and it should fix the error. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.